Hey, it's Sam Manor from Restraints. Today we're at Smith & Grange and I'm working on a 2021 high ace van. What are we doing today? It's not anchor points, we're actually putting an additional seat. It's a retro seat, it's what they call a jump seat. And as you can see, there it is on the floor. And we're going to be putting that into here. And as you can see in here in the vehicle, she's actually using it as a camper van. So she is starting to deck it out the back there. It's only in the starting process. But that's exactly where the actual seat's going to go. The jump seat's going to go in this section here. So I'm going to be removing the console out from there. So stay tuned as I get into this job. Okay, I've just installed the jump seat, for a TechSafe jump seat in a Toyota 2021. And I want to show you what it looks like making it a 3-seater. And there it is there. So originally it was only a 2-seater, and to be able to put the jump seat in the center and to create that 3-seat. This does require an engineer's report, but I want to show you something else. With this jump seat here, lift this little latch here and fold it down, and you've got drink holders there. And when you lift it back up, it locks back into place. And you can see the room here for the handbrake. Everything works really well, as you can see right there. There's the handbrake there. Everything has its place. And now it's all doable. Now if you've got a Toyota Hiace and you want to turn into a camper van, there's the fridge, and this is all in the making. So this will end up as a camper van and 3-seater. Be able to take the grandkids. I'm Sam, and we'll catch you on the next video.